Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this particular video I am going to give you the exact strategy how you can invite someone to access your System.io funnel tool builder. You might be aware about System.io funnel builder tool. In this funnel builder tool you can create landing pages, sales pages and lots of creativity inside the funnel. So in this particular video, I'm going to give you the idea how you can invite someone to access your System.io funnel builder tool, no matter whether you want to hire someone for designing your funnel as a freelancer, as a digital marketing agency, you want to access to your colleagues, maybe your business partner. So this step is valid for everyone. So just stay tuned, follow the process, how we can invite someone to give access to your System.io tool.
So first of all, here is the dashboard of System.io funnel builder tool. So here is the dashboard, contacts, funnel, emails, blogs, automations, products, sales. So in order to invite someone to access your funnel, you just need to go to settings. Then here is an option called workspace members. Then invite, then put the email address of your invitee, maybe with whom you want to share your funnel. Go to invite, and here you can also define the role of the person. So you want to edit the role and just provide the admin and go to chef. Now we need to verify this email address, because still this email address is not verified. Let's go to the inbox, go to the newsletters. Now see, so here we got the invitation from the System.io funnel builder tool. Let's click on this, then create your new password, confirm your new password, and that's it. Let me put the new password. Now see, now I am able to access the System.io funnel of the customer. Also we have to confirm at the client end. So let me refresh it. Now see, it is verified now. So in this way, you can invite someone to give access or take access of the System.io funnel builder tool. So I hope you are clear with this particular video. If you have any question, any doubt, feel free to ask me. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.